2014 BMW 650i Xdrive Gran Coupe M Sport. To change an AC pressure switch, you will have to take out the bar that goes just like this one from here to here with a 16 mil, and also this goes here, and this part there, the intake, you take that off also. Keep in mind, you always have to take this intake out, air intake out, to work more comfortable, for the reason because it's actually down here. You can actually see, give me 1 second, right there where you see that blue and like brownish wire, exactly right there, that's where your AC pressure switch is at for 2014 BMW 650i Xdrive M Sport. So that's all part of it. We'll do another clip after I installed this part. I'll load up another clip showing you guys how to install it.